Hello friend, today in this video we will see how to convert PDF file into Word as free. To do that, open any browser which you want. I am Ishan from Educational Alliance. This is your browser. Click at here and write PDF to Word Converter. Then click on this second link and then select PDF file. You may drag and drop your image at here and then click Convert to Word. As you see, your PDF file has been converted into editable Word document and save into your system automatically. Now click at here and press open. This is your converted file. You can make changes anything as you want in this file now. As you see like that, you can easily convert your PDF file into Word. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.